Morning, students. Today's topic poem Cold Within. Today we will read the poem The Cold Within, written by James Patrick Kinney. The 21st century we live in a marked by growing intolerance. People of different castes and creeds cannot even stand one another, let alone loving one another. Mercy, patience have been replaced by arrogance and rash behavior. Tolerance is the only hope. Read the poem The Cold Within and find out how important tolerance is, not just for coexistence but even for existence. Six humans trapped by happenstance in black and bitter cold. Each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story is told. Six people got trapped in a several cold and took shelter in a room. The fire inside the room was dying. Each of the six people had a log of wood, which could keep them warm. Their dying fire, in need of logs, the first woman held hers back, for on the faces around the fire, she noticed one was black. The first woman did not give her wood, as she noticed a black person sitting next to her. She couldn't tolerate her log being used to warm a black person. The next man, looking across the way, saw one not of his church and couldn't bring himself to give the fire his stick of brick. The second person to hold back his log as he saw a man of another church in the group. He didn't want his piece of log to warm him. The third one sat in tattered clothes. He gave his cot a hitch. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? The poor man was sitting in a room, hated the idea of his log providing any warmth to the rich. The third person was rich person, as he was wearing tattered cloth. Tattered cloth means torn cloth that was not in good condition. He hitched his coat. He held his coat tightly to cover himself so that he could protect himself from the cold. And he didn't want to give his log of wood, and he didn't want that his log of wood provide the warmth to the rich man. The rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store and how to keep what he had earned from the lazy poor. The next man was the rich man, and he was thinking about his wealth, and he was thinking that by his hard work he had stored the wealth, and he considered the poor people lazy, and he wanted to keep his log of wood safe from the poor people. The rich man kept aloof and only thought of keeping his log of wood safe from the poor. The black man's face spoke revenge as the fire passed from his sight, for all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spit the white. The black man's face full of revenge against the white, and so he didn't put his log in the fireplace. The black man was also thinking that he had got a chance to take the revenge from the white. And the last man of this forlorn group did not accept for pain. Giving only to those who gave was how he played the game. The last man of this forlorn mean isolated group. The last man of this isolated group, he believed in helping those who give him something in return. Okay, he was following the policy of give and take, or we can say he was following the policy of tit for tat. so he kept his log with himself. The logs held tight in Death's still hands was proof of human sin. They didn't die from the cold without, they die from the cold within. The next day, all the 6 people were found dead, with their logs held tightly in their hands. Their tolerance and hatred for each other had cost them their lives. It was not the cold without that they had killed them. Rather, it was the coldness in their hearts that had taken their lives.
The Cold Within, the poem. The Cold Within is a poem which seeks to hold a mirror against humanity, reflecting how it has degenerated. Human beings have created many divisions among themselves, like class, caste, race, religion, gender, etc. The message of the poem is a simple one. If we keep discriminating each other, the world will surely end in chaos. The title of the poem is suggestive of all the negative attributes that human beings possess. The cold here is the resentment and ill will which we bear toward others. These traits must be overcome or we shall be consumed by them just like the characters.
So, here we completed our tutorial on the topic the poem The Cold Within from Reader Book. Prepare a speech on tolerance, the need of art. Stay tuned. Goodbye. Have a nice day.